Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TXMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. A lot of selling pressure showed up with it, but now there's a couple of key dynamics here that really stand out from the charting perspective that make this quite an interesting pattern here going into next week. This all starts off, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part here. This is just simply a matter of where did the bleeding finally stop today, and that was right down there at $2.23. So from a very simplistic point of view, $2.23 for that reason alone, just simply that's where the bleeding finally stopped. That'll be a level that a whole lot of people are watching, and it does suggest that maybe this thing has finally found some sort of bottom. Now, don't get me wrong, just because a price bounces from a certain area a couple times does not guarantee a bottom. I mean, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but at least it's a valid thought to have. Case in point, let's say that the price or the chart just looked like this, and the price just going down, 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 and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like it could be the bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, wait, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is literally still going down. But that's not the case here. The price bounced a couple times, started to go sideways. Again, does that guarantee a bottom? No, but is it at least a valid, rational thought to have? Absolutely. So that level, definitely very important. Now, if this is some sort of bottom, the price starts to work its way back upwards. Let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance to keep an eye on, going to be right up there at $2.30. And then if 230 can be broken, that's where things start to get pretty interesting, because the good thing about quick downwards movements, which is what happened today, it can create some pretty big spaces between areas of resistance. So if 230 can be broken, nothing until up around the 236 mark. So we'll see what happens with it, but definitely an interesting setup, especially when you factor in the final 30 minutes of the day. And given today's Friday, the final 30 minutes of the week, big volume surge right there. And the price, it's not like it collapsed or anything. So we'll see what this one brings next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.